welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, nakita nyo naman sa ating title is about sa drawing. Kasi po may nakilala po akong isang content creator sa FB, and most of his video is about drawing. So nag-message ako sa kanya kung pwede bang magpa-drawing din ako, and he answered na pwede. So, ayun, naghintay ako ng weeks. So, kahapon is nagawa na niya yung yung sinend ko na picture sa kanya na yun yung ipapadrawing ko. And most of drawing na ginagawa niya guys is yung mga sikat na mga artist. So, watch this video guys.
See through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight. You're struggling to see what I'm doing. Did I take a bullet for you? It's easy, I don't let go, but I won't. I need you here, need you right now. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easy, I don't let go, but I won't. You're so inside the agony, it's that far as I can breathe. I'll turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby, I lose my mind. You've been kind.
Proud po ako sa mga taong may ganitong talent kasi hindi lahat ng tao guys binibless na magkaroon ng talent na marunong mag-drawing ng mga mukha ng iba, yung nakukuha talaga nila. So, if may ganyan kang talent, show up. Be proud and be blessed and be thankful kasi isa ka sa mga nabigyan ng ganyang talent. So, 'di ba? So, Sir Peter, thank you so much po kasi po pinaglaanan niyo po talaga ng time na i-drawing yung mukha ko, and I'm so happy and very proud po sa inyo kasi po ang galing-galing niyo po mag-drawing. And sa mga gusto pala magpa-drawing din, pwede nyo siyang i-design sa bahay nyo, ganyan. So, ilalagay ko sa baba yung mga social media accounts ni Sir Peter para if gusto nyo siyang ma-message or gusto nyo din magpagawa, ilalagay ko sa baba yung kanyang social media accounts. And then, maglalagay ako sa comment section ng link ng kanyang social media account. So, ayun, Sir Peter, thank you so much po sa sa pagbahagi ng inyong talent and sa pag-drawing din ng aking mukha. Thank you so much po. God bless. And so, ayun guys, dito ko natatapusin itong video. Please don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe. Bye!